There we go. Always like a little background light. Today I want to do a quick service announcement. Look, this is March 15th of 2020. So if later on I forget to take this video down or something, or I just decide to leave it up, please take that into consideration. Lots of people are staying home right now. A lot of places are closed down. Folks are trying to stay indoors and stay healthy and control pathogen spread, okay? So we're all doing our part. Well, you know, being stuck at home, you kind of get to where you gotta run around and get out and do something different, but you can't because you're not supposed to go into public areas. Well, for those of you who don't have like open areas or wilderness around you where you can get out and about, then you're going to be indoors. You're going to be watching a lot of YouTube. So please take advantage of that. YouTube has a lot of stuff on it. You have a lot of crafts, a lot of hobbies, a lot of things to learn, a lot of growth here. My channel is going to help you out with cooking. Some great new ideas. Hey, you're stuck at home anyway. Give it a shot. Try that recipe you haven't tried. And, well, you might be surprised at what you get. So please, enjoy YouTube. Enjoy what we do here. A lot of people on YouTube have put out for you. So please enjoy what we've provided. Thank you.